be vlogging right now. I look so weird. It's okay. It's currently 7 o'clock a.m. So early. It's a Sunday today. And the weather's super nice. Today is going to be a great day. I'm calling it already. It's going to be a good one. I have this thing where I can't like sleep without like touching my soft blanket. And this one's like the perfect amount of softness. I don't know what's wrong with me, but it's been like this ever since. And this makes waking up in the morning extra difficult just because, I don't know, it's just too soft. I can't. Do you guys have that thing also? Like I know other people have like a stuffed toy or like a shirt, a cloth they can't sleep without. I mean, I can't sleep without this, but I just love sleeping with it. I have been eating avocados every single morning. Anything that has to do with avocados, I love. So this morning, I will be making avocado toast. And I'm gonna share with you guys my secret into making the best avocado toast ever. I had this for breakfast last night and for dinner. And I'm having it again today for breakfast. Okay guys, so this is the crucial part. Before you put your avocados, you have to rub garlic on the toast. So while it's hot, rub it around. Oh my god, this will make everything better. It's going to have this like really rich aftertaste and it's gonna make it more tasty and savory. If you make your avocado toast, don't forget to do this. It's a real game changer. So now I'm just gonna put the avocados. I mushed it a while ago so it's easy to spread. And of course we have to season it with some salt, some pepper and some Himalayan salt. Which one's bigger? I think this has more. I just finished eating my piece. This is now my mom's. So sad. I left this because it didn't have like avocados anymore. I'm gonna go and get some coffee. Oops. My to-do list for today is to actually like decorate this wall right here because it's gonna be the background for my photos. So I'm gonna head to Daiso later and then I'm gonna head to the second-hand store also to look for a full-length mirror. So we're gonna have a full day today. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a productive one. If you may be seeing right now my background looks different, it's because I'm finally in my hometown here in Japan. I've been here for 2 weeks now and it's so refreshing to be with my family and to be around this environment. I'm super duper grateful that I got to fly here during this whole pandemic. Like I got here 2 weeks ago and then I had a 1-day rest, and then for that week after that I had a summer job, which I'm very thankful for. I spent so much money going here and staying in Tokyo for 2 weeks. I just have this weird thing wherein whenever I spend money I always need to know that that money will come back, or I always need assurance that I will get that money back. So I'm super grateful that I got to work here even for a short period of time. I was taught from a very young age that money doesn't grow on trees and you have to work hard to get it. If you're wondering how I'm able to travel at a young age, I save my money, I invest my money, and I work. I don't ever ask my parents to give me money for traveling and for clothes because I know they work hard to give us a comfortable lifestyle, and it's just not right to ask them for those kind of wants. I look kind of bald from this angle. Like, it doesn't look like I have hair. Online classes for me started 3 days ago? 3 days ago. And it's honestly been pretty okay as of now. No! I mean, I know it's just the introduction, but so far I am into it. No! If you guys want to see a school day in my life online edition, let me know. Like this video, comment it down below if you're interested in seeing that. So I just finished doing my makeup and now we're gonna look for something to wear. I'm going out to go to the secondhand store to buy a mirror. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy now. I just want to look around and check if there's anything nice. And then after that, I'm going to Daiso to buy some stuff to decorate this wall with. I actually went there a few days ago already. And yeah, I'm gonna include that in the haul that I will be doing later on in this video. So yeah, for now, we're gonna look for something to wear. Guys, I organized my rack over here. This is actually the first time I brought like this much clothes here in Japan because I usually just bring like a few clothes whenever I go here. Shall we do that thing where I jump and then I'm gonna transform to my outfit? I went to the thrift store to buy a mirror and I ended up buying some clothes. Oh my god, guys, the struggle to keep my hands away from the clothes area is real. But yeah, I got a lot of good stuff. I think I'm gonna include a haul in this video because I didn't really buy that much. So I'm back home now. We just ate the chicken. It was so good. I'm so full and I will be showing you now what I bought from the thrift store and from Daiso. We didn't get to go to Daiso, but I did go to Daiso a few days ago to shop for like home decors and stuff that I can use around the house. I got 2 mugs from Daiso. You guys saw this a while ago in my morning routine kind of segment here. I just got this bunny mug for school. I don't know, to motivate me to go to school, to attend school, you know, for my coffee. Caffeine is life. So I got that one. And I also got this mason jar. Basa pa siya, pero ang cute kasi ng print sa harap. It's just nice to have like a cute thing to drink your water in. It kind of motivates me to fill this up all the time. I also picked up this nail polish and I got this nail art. Fun little thing to have. And then I also got this AirPods case. I have one that I've been using for months now. I think I got that last year, I think. So I got this one because it's super cute. I also got some stickers. I got this clear phone case and I wanted to decorate it with some stickers. I actually used this already, but my phone's outside. Tinatamad na ako lumabas. So I got a clear top coat. Actually, the girl in front of me got this, so I just got it as well because I was looking for a top coat and I didn't really know which one was nice there, and she was Japanese, so she probably knew more than me. So yeah, I just got what she got. The next one I got is actually this grid right here where I can store my sunnies. I'm gonna put it up here maybe, I'm not sure yet. That's mainly why I went to Daiso to get stuff for decoration. So I just put some of my sunglasses here. So yeah, for now it's just here, but later on we're gonna try to, you know, decorate and stuff. I might also print some pictures so I can decorate this wall with it. And I got this one. This one's an accessory holder, and I've been wanting one for a long time because usually my accessories are just in like Ziploc bags, like small Ziploc bags, and I don't know, I just like seeing them all in one box. So yeah, this one's super helpful. It keeps everything organized and it keeps everything tangle free. And then the last one I got from Daiso is this.
it's a mirror. Only 40 pesos, guys. Everything from Daiso were only 100 yen. So that's around like 47 to 50 pesos in the Philippines. Okay, so now we're gonna head to the stuff that I bought from the thrift store earlier. I feel like I got more basics than colorful stuff. Okay, so this one's actually for my mom. It's just a white shirt, but it has a cute print at the back. And I got this black rib top. This one's actually by the brand Michael Kors. I'm not sure if it's real, but I'm planning to crop this. I like the cloth of this because rib tops fit the body really well. Like, it's really body hugging, so I think this would look really good when it's cropped. And I'm gonna try to like decorate it with some rhinestones, so I'm so excited for that. Polo shirt ba to? Yeah. My mom's watching me as I'm filming this video. The thing that really attracted me to this shirt is this denim collar. So it's super cute. Reminds me of the 2000 styles. I've been looking for some mini skirts lately and I'm so excited for this. I found this at the 50% sale area. So yeah, it's gray and it's super tiny actually. So let's just see how this will fit me because I didn't fit anything that I bought. I also got another one in this navy blue shade. I think this one's for sports, but it's so cute. Yeah, it's by the brand Wilson. So I think this is for tennis, diba? Wilson. Super cute. I'm so excited. Super Y2K style. And this one's a really fun one. I'm not sure if this fits me, but guys, look at this. It's so like vintage looking. I think it's middle waist jeans. And I love the buttons here in front. Super cute. And it also flares out at the bottom. I'm so excited to style this. And then I'm gonna pick like some shirts that I can use for this. Like kind of like a flat lay, but a hanging flat lay. Should I do just like one color, like all pink tops, and then for another video all yellow tops? I think that's gonna look super cute. So maybe for now I'm gonna do all pink tops. This is how it's going to look like when I film videos, but I think I need to put some pillows below me so I can look a bit taller when I start filming, like that. I think this looks better than this, right? What do you guys think? Oh my god, what am I doing? How do I make this straight? So good! Yay! I actually found a Betty Boop, kind of like a poster a while ago at the thrift store, but it was kind of expensive. Like, I'm not sure if I should get it. I'm still thinking about it and I'm still looking for some inspirations in Pinterest so I can design this area, like put some posters or put some photos. But for now, all we have is this. So it's now 5 o'clock p.m. and it's getting darker outside and I don't really like vlogging when it's dark. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye guys!